Career and Technical Education, or CTE, includes classes that focus on the skills and knowledge you need to be employed in specific fields of work, while also preparing you to be successful pursuing a 2- or 4-year degree in the future. CTE classes cover a lot of different fields. For example, you could take a class on agricultural systems, investigating how different foods impact farm animal growth. A computer coding class, where you learn how to write code to design a website, app, or video game. Or a manufacturing class, where you can use manufacturing machinery to design and create products. CTE classes also give you the opportunity to concentrate in a given area. Research on students who take concentrated coursework in CTE classes has shown that these students are more likely to be employed right after high school and can earn up to 40% more than peers who do not concentrate in CTE courses. Some CTE programs allow you to receive stackable credentials. Stackable credentials are credentials students earn in CTE classes so students can get a higher paying job and reduce the time it takes to earn a degree after high school. Concentrating in CTE courses can lead to rewarding and high-paid job opportunities after high school. There are many careers related to CTE coursework that are in high demand. For example, if you pursue CTE classes within the architecture and construction career pathway, you could have a career as a pipe fitter, steam fitter, or plumber, which are all high-growth and high-paying jobs you can qualify for with only a high school degree. If you pursue CTE classes in the advanced manufacturing career pathway, you could become an electrical and electronics engineering technician, another high-growth and high-paying job that only requires a high school degree. Interested in CTE courses and credentials? Reach out to your school counselor about the options at your high school.